Forward comes Steve Waugh. It's Rashid Latif, the Pakistan wicketkeeper, along with Steve Waugh in the frame. Back to Mushtaq.
Mushtaq thought that he'd had him with the wrong one. Waugh certainly didn't seem to have picked that one up. Mushtaq does tend to bowl the wrong one a little more often than most leg spinners do. A couple in and over is the norm.
It again, and surprises Steve Waugh once again, who has to hurry his shot, and he just managed to keep it away from his stumps. So very interesting over from Mushtaq.
Well, the earlier one was given a bit more air. This one bowled flatter. Mushtaq mixing his wrong ones. We've known of fast bowlers to have two bouncers.
It's taken on the pad as he goes forward.
But Mushtaq is now showing us two varieties of the wrong one. One, he gives the ball a lot more air, flights it in the air, gives it a bit more loop. But the other one is the quicker one, bowled flatter.
And the wicket he comes, and he's going to be out possibly. There is an appeal, and he waits a little, and he's gone stumped.
And that is absolutely marvellous bowling there from Mushtaq. He's bowled in two googlies, the wrong ones, so he's had Waugh in double mind, and now he's bowled in the leg spinner, which has turned very sharply. A lot of work there for Rashid Latif. It's not an easy stumping because the ball was moving away from him, but he's got it right, and Steve Waugh is the fourth Australian wicket to fall for 49.
There's two sides to that running to as well.
Oh, has he gone? He has, yes. The second Waugh to have been stumped off Mushtaq Ahmed. He's had both the twins stumped, very well stumped indeed by Latif, the wicketkeeper, and that is a wicket that Pakistan badly wanted, because these two were beginning to be a bit of a worry, Mark Waugh and Michael Bevan.
Yeah, Mushtaq just pushing this one through a little bit quicker, gripped on the pitch. Mark Waugh didn't quite get to it, still went on with the shot and got done with the spin. Very, very well done by the wicketkeeper there, and he's out quite easily. Not very happy at all with himself there, Mark Waugh, 23, and he was looking fairly dangerous, and he was the one the Australians wanted to stay in there.